absolutely no intention of filming this for a YouTube video, but I thought, why not? And then I was supposed to do an At the Bench episode, but I really don't quite know what I'm doing for this, so there's no point in me trying to explain what I'm doing since I don't know. So this is going to be a Studio Sounds episode, and I hope you guys enjoy following along as I try and figure out how to do this project that I'm very much looking forward to and excited about. So let's see how it goes. My name is Vanessa. I am a self-taught metalsmith, and I am the creator of With Love Jewelry. I'm just gonna pause because I need to catch my breath because I'm holding my breath doing this, but you can't really tell from far. And it's nowhere close to looking decent. But I might get a Pave Setting out of this. I'm really excited. It's not gonna look phenomenal, but if I can make it work, I'll be really, really happy. I'm currently running into a big problem where when I try and form a bead on my prongs, the pressure of pushing down on the prong is causing the ring to misshapen, to become distorted, to change shape. So my thought is to tumble it, to work harden it a little bit, and get it nice and clean, but I'm hoping that that doesn't make forming the beads more difficult afterwards. So I'm gonna try it and hope that it works and see how it goes. All right, let's hope that it holds its shape better now that it's been tumbled. Yesterday, while I was trying to set some stones on here, I managed to drop 3 of them. And they're 1.7 mils, so I don't know if I'll ever find them. it's not maintaining its shape. At this point, I'm thinking I should just remake the whole ring and make it more substantial instead of thin. Like, I was hoping to make it like thin and dainty, but considering this is my first attempt at pave, it might just be worth it to try again and actually make it strong enough so that I understand the process. And then as I get better and better at it, I can make it more and more dainty. Executive decision, I'm going to remake the ring, so I'll see you in a bit. I'll get myself up to this point and then we can hopefully set stones together. I have been measuring my gems with this caliper because it's less sharp and pointy than this one, and I'm always a little bit afraid that this metal one might chip my gems, right? Especially when they're really small. So this was measuring them at 1.7 millimeters, and so I drilled all of my holes to be 1.7 millimeter diameter, and then I'm trying to set the stones and none of them are fitting. So then I remeasured my stones with this one and it's saying that they're 2 millimeter diameter. So I re-drilled my holes at 2 millimeters and now everything fits perfectly. This is why it's important to have good tools. The ring is in the tumbler, and once it's done, we're gonna come back and try and set these stones. So this is looking much more substantial, which is great considering the gems are 2 millimeters instead of 1.7 millimeters. Last one going in, last gem. I can't wait to show you how it looks. I think it worked. I think it's all done. So I'm gonna polish it and I'll show you what it looks like. And I'm in awe, like. I have a really bad habit of like putting my hands here and then my hands look bigger than my face, like huge. So I'm gonna try and keep them close to me so I don't look like I have monster hands. But I'm freaking out right now because I can't believe that this worked and came out, and I'm gonna bring you closer so that you can actually see it. But when you get closer, you see like all the flaws and all that. But I am so unbelievably proud of myself for making this. I always said I'll really feel like a jeweler when I can do pave setting. And I did pave setting, and it's wonky. It's not perfect. I mean, it's so beautiful, but I have a lot of room for growth. And now that I've done it, I know I can do it. And I'm gonna keep doing it. And it's gonna get better and better. And I'm so excited. I'm gonna get you closer so you can see what it looks like. But I hope you love it as much as I do. Because I love it. I'm so excited. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow my channel, and it helps me as a self-taught metalsmith to grow my business, and YouTube is a big part of my business. So Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.